Hello friends, your very own would-be teacher is back. Today I'm going to be showing you some creativity with colors. So Vidhan is going to show you some of his creative ideas, what he will show you with colors.
Hello friends.
Come on, Vidhan, can you show me a few creativity? So today I'm going to be using a very basic household items. Like I have earbuds, I'm going to be using bottle caps and a few brushes. So let's start. So Vidhan is going to make a few flowers with using earbuds. So you can also, wow, that's very beautiful, Vidhan. So parents, what you can also do is, children love to get messier. So let them explore their creativity with colors. So this is the way you can make their own creative journals and just store it and preserve it for their future reference. Can you just make one more? Oh, so he's made one red flower. Now he's going to make a blue color flower. I'm going to be showing you a few techniques very well. So I have made a few paintings of my own. This is one of the paintings done by me with earbuds. Now next what I'm going to be showing you is with bottle caps. Everybody, we all have bottle caps in our house. So what the best thing what we can do is by using with the rim, on the rim of the bottle, just take a color. Just color the rim. And just make a circle. Yes, give it a little pressure. The same way what you can do is, I'm going to show you a quick of innovative idea about what can we create with bottle caps. Yes, very beautiful. Now, Vidhan, let's convert this bottle cap into a fish. I have made a fish tank using a bottle cap image. So what you can do is, once you have the rim of the bottle cap, just draw. Vidhan, can you just draw with a pen? Like this. Make a fish. You can make the fish's mouth, the tail, the fins. Very well. Make the eyes. Good job. And then we can just add in a little of the mouth, the fins. Parents, you can get creative as much as possible. The third technique what I'm going to be showing you is with thumbprints. So Vidhan, can you just take on your paper. There is one more technique which I wanted to show you. When you make quick greeting cards, just take the tip of your tip, and you can also make small tiny hearts out of this. So we can make these kind of small hearts. Now one more technique which I'm going to be showing you is thumb printing. So Vidhan, just take a little print in your thumb.